Hi everyone. Let me take off my mask first. I want to take a moment to acknowledge a couple of key events taking place in the coming weeks, as they both have special meaning to all that we do and to all of us here at Geisinger. The week of May 10th through May 16th is National Hospital Week, where we recognize all of the hospitals throughout our system and the selfless healthcare workers for all that you are doing in keeping our communities healthy. This is especially important and relevant during this COVID crisis. We recognize the hard work you do in making health easier for our patients and communities throughout our entire organization. The week of May 6th through May 12th has great meaning to all of the nurses and those of us who get to work with those nurses throughout our system, as we recognize National Nurses Week. Janet Tomcavage is here with me to give a very special message of thanks to our amazing group of nurses that work tirelessly throughout our entire system. Janet?
Hello everyone, and happy Nurses Week. I'm going to take my mask off before we get started. I want to take and say a huge shout out to all of our nurses who play a vital role in caring for patients, comforting their families, and leading teams in helping protect our communities. Many of you have been asked to step into new roles during this crisis as our needs have changed and your skills and experience are needed to support our response to COVID-19. We value each of you, no matter your role at Geisinger. Every one of you is critically important, and there is no way we can call out all of the efforts that have occurred over the last few weeks. But I marveled at the LPNs who came out of the clinic to help us step up our team support in the hospital, refreshing skills you haven't likely used in years. Thank you. The teams who helped staff the tents right out of the gate. Thank you. Over the past weeks, I feel compelled to call out the role that nurses play in our hospitals and our ICUs. As Dr. Ryu and I have rounded across the system the past few weeks, we are so impressed by the level of skill our nurses are demonstrating as they manage our COVID patients. It is truly unbelievable. The complexity and intensity these patients present are so much more than the typical critical care or medical surge patient. And your dedication is not only limited to the clinical skills you're delivering. Your compassionate approach to keep our patients and their families connected is especially heartwarming and reminds us all why we entered this profession. This year's celebration holds an extra special meaning as it is anchored by the 200th birthday of Florence Nightingale, who by many is considered the founder of modern professional nursing. Florence's primary area of achievement was around hygiene, hand washing being one of the many ways she advocated as a way to reduce infectious disease in the Crimean War. Much in the same way, we are practicing these same principles today to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. She set the standards for nursing education and practice, much of which holds true even today. As nurses, you are compassionate, devoted, and committed. And for these reasons and many others, we salute you, and I am humbled and honored to be part of this great nursing organization.
While many events that were scheduled to be held in honor of Nurses Week have had to be canceled or postponed due to our current COVID crisis, we want you to know that we celebrate all of you each and every day, and we appreciate the hard work and tireless efforts you put forth. And when we see the continued decline of COVID in our organization and our communities, we'll be able to more formally celebrate the services that you provide. Thank you for all that you do, and see you soon.